Unless you've been living under a rock, you will have heard of NFTs and the immense disruption they're bringing into the digital space. Average monthly trading volumes went from $64 million in the first half of this year to more than $750 million in the second half. Now the party is still very much on, and we are seeing random Twitter users flipping artwork for thousands of dollars. Although you may not sell for that much, the good news is that you can also tune in and earn some money. Let's dive right into it. Hello everyone, welcome to Investing Explained. In today's video, we are talking about one of the trending topics, how to flip NFTs for profit. So stay tuned and give this video a big thumbs up. One of the most common ways to make a profit buying an NFT is by flipping it. To flip your NFT, simply purchase an NFT, then instantly put it back on sale for an increased price. The best part about flipping an NFT versus flipping traditional things like a house is that a non-fungible token doesn't need to be remodeled or updated. You simply buy it, then sell it. To have the best success flipping your NFT, try to buy one that has had a consistent increase in sales trend. As well, if you have the opportunity to buy an inexpensive NFT from a well-known creator, then you may be able to instantly flip it for a large return on investment, ROI. For a lot of us, trading and flipping is something we've done since childhood. From comic books, stickers, trading cards to toys, anything we could profit from was fair game. Many of us have continued this wealth-building habit into our adult lives and are always looking for flipping opportunities. It's all a sales tactic that deals with human behavior. There are tons of other things that you learn in years of flipping that come naturally. This makes it much easier. We will try our best to explain when it comes to NFT flipping and mint some money from it. As our lives become increasingly digital, it's no surprise that many people are now making money with NFTs. The trading of NFTs, or non-fungible tokens, is growing all the time, and getting in early on this evolving market could be vital to the continued growth of your wealth. Flipping is a loose term for buying items at low prices and selling quickly for a profit. It's existed forever, from the days of flipping trading cards, toys, and comics for profit, and we're now seeing an enormous wave in the NFT space. You can only flip valuable stuff, and NFTs have proven to be valuable, rapidly attracting all sorts of investors. Besides holding bitcoins and alts, or creating and collecting tokenized art for the long term, you might want to get in on high-volume NFT projects for quicker returns. Although risky, flipping NFTs is a relatively fast way to boost your portfolio. Flipping NFTs follows a simple process. You need a Web3 compatible wallet like MetaMask or Trust Wallet. After funding your account, you can access various NFT platforms using the in-app browser. Air NFTs is the perfect place to start your flipping journey. You can buy NFTs with ridiculously cheap gas fees and make a significant fortune from them, thanks to our ever-growing and active community. On selling, it's essential to know when to sell as a flipper. While that decision solely lies on you, it is crucial to monitor the volume and recognition the project is getting while taking care to move on to other projects. The more you know about an NFT scene, the better your investment decisions will be. It's vital then to choose one or two NFT niches and dig into that community. Go into the subreddits and forums, listen to the podcasts, watch the YouTube videos, and talk to others in that community of buyers and sellers. With NFTs, you need to find your niche and do quality research. Common niches include animal-themed art, abstract paintings, collectibles, domain names, or even virtual pieces of land. Among other factors, 3 key metrics fundamentally determine how well an NFT project will do. They are the number of items, floor price, and volume. Scarcity always drives demand up. NFT projects with a limited quantity of items are much likely to give you a profit. Then, the floor price means the least price you can get an item. You want to look for items with low floor prices and minimal supply, but ultimately, making profits in any market is firmly hinged on liquidity. You want to pitch your investments with platforms with high trading volumes. Chances are you will quickly see collectors willing to buy your items. Now, one of the crucial parts, confirming a good market to buy in. Always make sure you are in a bull market or a market that is uptrending. There are many different sites you can use to check the volumes of NFTs. Usually, you want to just check OpenSea sales volume, but getting the NFT market's volume as a whole work too. Use NFTstats.com or nonfungible.com market history or Dune. Using multiple different sites and looking at charts to find the tops or bottoms is key. You never want to buy the top, and you never want to guess a top or bottom, because it can keep going or it can keep dipping. Wait for a confirmation. Now it's time to choose the best projects for flipping NFTs. If you have Nansen, then you can see a lot of good info to analyze a project to see many different indicators that can confirm it is a good buy. Since this is more a beginner guide though, you can check out CryptoSlam for charts since it's free. The most basic thing to look for is you don't want to buy a top. I made this mistake when I first was starting. Finally, the good stuff. Buying NFTs for flipping your NFTs. NFT market is kind of like the stock market in terms of technical analysis. Buying an NFT you are interested in is important. Generally speaking, if you have an interest in something particular, you have a better insight into that subject. This means your likelihood of purchasing something profitable is higher because you know better. Not only that, but it's just the right thing to do. You can hop on the bandwagon and start buying trendy stuff, zip about. Or you can make a better educated decision and support someone who produces something you genuinely like. It's up to you, but I buy things like, overall, if your main goal is to make a profit buying NFTs, you need to do your research to ensure you are buying an NFT that will provide an ROI. Once you find your project, then search for it. To buy, it's time to go to Rarity Tools. If you don't have any clue what project to buy, then actually go to Rarity Tools or CryptoDunk first and look at the hottest selling projects the last 24 hours, or better yet, 7 days. The other method is the most time-consuming, but most cost-efficient and also will get you the most profits. Everything that's been said before pertains exactly to this. You will just be trying to lowball them, get a better deal. It just involves making offers on ones that interest you. Next, you will have to wrap up your ETH and get WETH. You can do this easily in your MetaMask, or an easier, sometimes cheaper way is to make an offer on something. You then just click Convert ETH. After you convert your ETH, you can start making offers. This also saves you on gas fees, which can be 0.02 to 0.03, close to $100. Seems too good to be true? Well, it low-key is because it will usually take a while before someone bites and accepts your bid. If I had to estimate, I'd probably say that less than 5% of the bids get accepted, less than 1 out of every 20. It is very time-consuming, but if you are a bargain hunter or starting with very little ETH, then you got to do what you got to do. This tactic is used for higher-priced objects. By sending in an offer of 0.5 ETH on a listing that is 1 ETH is 50% less. No one's going to go for that. Therefore, don't even waste time with that much of a lowball offer. This takes time, but is the only way to make sound investments. Take an NFT game like Decentraland and its interesting real estate market, for example. One renowned trader named Maddie made over $83,000 profit in a single year simply flipping parcels of the game's land because he understood the market well. On selling, it's essential to know when to sell as a flipper. While that decision solely lies on you, it is crucial to monitor the volume and recognition the project is getting while taking care to move on to other projects. But you must remember that NFTs are not as liquid as their fungible counterparts. Involving you can only make a profit as long as you see buyers willing to buy. Therefore, you must take care to invest what you can afford to lose. Well, that's all for today. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, then give this video a big thumbs up and share it. For more exciting videos, subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon. We'll be back soon with another exciting video. Till then, check out our channel for more exciting videos and stay tuned.